Welcome. Please kindly subscribe. The enchanting world of orchids, growing and caring for these extraordinary plants. Welcome to the enchanting world of orchids, where beauty and elegance come together in extraordinary ways. In this video, we will explore the art of growing and caring for these captivating plants. Get ready to embark on a journey into the fascinating realm of orchids. Orchids are a diverse and stunning family of plants with over 25,000 species and countless hybrids. Despite their reputation for being challenging, with the right knowledge and care, anyone can successfully grow and enjoy these exquisite flowers. Let's delve into the basics of orchid care. 1. Light. Orchids require bright, indirect light to thrive. Place them near an east or west-facing window or provide them with filtered sunlight. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight as it can scorch their delicate leaves. 2. Temperature. Orchids have varying temperature preferences depending on their species. In general, they appreciate a daytime temperature range of 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, and a slightly cooler temperature at night. Research the specific temperature requirements of your orchid to ensure optimal growth. 3. Watering. Orchids have unique watering needs. Most orchids prefer a moist but not waterlogged environment. Water them thoroughly, allowing the water to flow through the pot, and then allow the top inch of the potting medium to dry out before watering again. Avoid leaving water standing in the crown or heart of the orchid, as it can lead to rot. 4. Humidity. Orchids thrive in a humid environment. If your home has low humidity, you can increase it by placing a tray filled with water near the orchids or using a humidifier. Misting the orchids occasionally can also help maintain adequate humidity levels. 5. Fertilization. Orchids have specific nutritional requirements. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer formulated specifically for orchids. Dilute the fertilizer to half strength and apply it every 2 weeks during the growing season. Reduce fertilization frequency during the dormant period. Please kindly subscribe.